this kind of broken glass effect. Okay, so let's create new composition. Let's call it text 4. Okay, so let's write the text, the light blue. Okay, and select this font to new 300. Let's keep it in the center. Let's make it around 200. Not need this much big. Alright, now select this mask and keep selecting this text. Just draw this kind of mask over it. Mask. Okay, then duplicate this text. Okay, and from the mask text, from the mask, select the substrate. Now select the text below. Press P for the position. Somewhere around 12 frame or so. Add keyframe. Keep it little tight. Change this just like this. Okay, select both and press F9. Okay, so it's have now this kind of broken kind of effect. Okay, even you can reduce the distance. Okay, now let's add new adjustment layer. Add a transform effect. Okay, also add a slider control. Command D, duplicate it. Now selecting this adjustment layer, keep holding Alt key and press this position stopwatch icon and you will get the expression window. Type wiggle expression, enter. So this first wiggle expression, just pick this whip and connect with this first slider. Then add comma over here. Here we are adding the comma. Again select this pick whip and connect with the second slider. Then add keyframe somewhere around here. Let's make it 10. Somewhere around here. Let's make it 0. So this is kind of effect. So it will, just like the real effect, it will vibrate and then there is a break.